This is our 618 Okamoto linear ball roller hand feed surface grinder. The machine has a 2-axis Sony 1/10th reading DRO, a Walker 618 electromagnetic chuck that is fine pole, a Walker chuck control, one-shot lube, as I said, ball roller with a cable drive. Just going to give you some close-ups. DRO, chuck control, Walker fine pole chuck. The lock here. Ball roller. Cross. Chuck. Variable pull. Release. I'm going to bring it on. If you listen really quiet, you may hear the spindle, but it's dead quiet. That's on. This is a really nice 618 ball roller hand feed grinder. Thank you for watching our video.